If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To cancel a company file in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button. Then select the Subscriptions and Billing link in the drop-down menu under the Profile heading to open the Subscriptions and Billing window. Then click the Cancel Subscription link within all the active subscription widgets to cancel the company's linked subscriptions. A window appears asking you to confirm you want to cancel the company file. Click the Cancel Plan button to cancel your subscription. You must fully complete the cancellation steps or you will not cancel your subscription. You will continue to be charged your subscription fees until you complete all the cancellation steps. For 30-day free trial subscribers who choose not to continue with QuickBooks Online, it is very important to note that you must actively cancel the company file before the 30-day expiration date to avoid being automatically charged by Intuit. Any data you enter is saved for 90 days after the trial period ends. You can export the data before the trial period ends to save it. Otherwise, after 90 days has passed, the data is permanently deleted from the Intuit QuickBooks servers. If your company file is still within its trial period or within the first 60 days of your subscription, you can purge the company data. This deletes all existing data from your company file but keeps the company file itself. To purge company data, open the company file and go to the dashboard page. In the address bar of your web browser, change the URL, which should look like https://qbo.intuit.com/app/get-things-done or https://qbo.intuit.com/app/homepage to delete either the term Get Things Done or Homepage and replace it with Purge Company. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard while still in the address bar to open the Are You Sure You Want to Wipe Your QuickBooks Online Company page. This page lists the data to delete. In the lower right corner of the page is a text box into which you must type Yes, and then click the OK button to start the data purge process. Otherwise, click the Cancel button to return to the dashboard page. Be absolutely sure you want to delete the company data before purging it. This process is not reversible. After purging the company data, your company file still exists. You can then use the same company file and enter new information, cancel your subscription, or start a new company file. If you cancel a full subscription, your data is saved for 1 year and then permanently deleted from the Intuit QuickBooks servers. During this year, you will have read-only access to the data. You cannot manipulate the data. However, you can run reports. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.